there are like two ways you can be able to study nursing in Nigeria. One is through the university and another is through going through a nursing school. This is theology. One is through the nursing school and another is through the university. So I will be explaining that in this video. It is very easy and simple for you to study nursing in Nigeria. It depends on the route you want to take. So that's what I'll be discussing in this video. If you want to know more about how you can go about nursing in Nigeria, do sit back, relax and enjoy. I'll be right back. The noise is disturbing, but I'm going to be very loud so you can hear me very well. So as I was saying, I said there are two ways to study nursing in Nigeria. One is through the nursing school and one is through the university. So first off, I'll be starting with nursing school. For you to enter into the nursing school, you have to be like from 17 years above for you to be able to get admission into the nursing school. And how you get the admission is you must have at least 5 credits in English, math, biology, chemistry, physics. You must have at least 5 credits in them in one sitting. It can be SSC, it can be WAEC, any senior school certificate exam you're taking. You must have credits in these courses. And then the other thing is you are going to write exams. You purchase the forms. Forms are being sold, so you purchase the form and make sure that you are timely. Make sure that you already know the nursing school you want to go to and you are following the nursing school up to know when their forms will be available. So when forms are available, you'll be able to purchase it and fill the form, with your results. And after that, some nursing schools conduct interview which you will have to be part of, and then when you pass the exam, usually cut-off mark is from 50 and above. I don't know if there's a variation in other nursing schools, but most of the nursing schools is from 50 and above. And after that, you've passed the exam, you've reached the cut-off, and after that you'll be called for interview. And after the interview, if you pass, your admission is secured. You can go ahead with the preparations into nursing school. So that's basically it for nursing school. It's a 3 years course, basic or general nursing. It's a 3 years course, and after 3 years you'll be issued your license and you'll be certified as a registered nurse. Then for the university, for those who want to take the route of going to the university, you have to have your WAEC results to the math, English, biology, chemistry, physics. You have to have credits in them too. And then you write JAM. After writing the JAM exam, you register for the JAM and then you write JAM. After writing the exams, there's a cut-off mark depending on the university you choose to go to, and make sure that nursing is accredited in that university. Make sure nursing science as a course is accredited in that university, because most time people study these things in universities which the courses are not accredited yet. So make sure that the nursing you want to study in that particular university is accredited already. Ask questions. Someone who has questions does not miss road, like how they will say. So make sure you ask questions, seek information before making a decision. So as I was saying, make sure that nursing is accredited in the university. Then you can go ahead and purchase the JAM form, fill in nursing as the course choice, as the choice of the course choice, like the course you want to do. And then after that, you write the JAM. You have to meet up to the cut-off mark. It's now a point of view for you to know the cut-off mark of the university. And once you fill the cut-off mark, I think you also write the university's post-UTME. If the particular university does not write post-UTME, you will be given admission to study nursing into the university. And yeah, for university is 5 years course. It's a 5 years course. I think in the 3rd year you write your nursing council exams and you become a registered nurse. When you pass and you are licensed in the 3rd year university, and then you are also given ROM, reproductive health provider, and some other certificates alongside. So that is BNSC nursing, Bachelor of Nursing Science. So that's the degree you'll be coming out with, and also your registered nurse. So it depends on the route you want to take, the one which is favorable for you, the one which your pocket can carry, or the one which it's not your pocket, if your parents are sponsoring you, right, or your sponsors or aunties, uncles, depending on who is sponsoring you and depending on the pocket of that person. So that is basically it. There is no big deal, it's just choice. So people prefer going to school of nursing, and then in the future they further their education. Some people just prefer going to school of nursing and then they are okay, while some prefer to further or just go straight to university. So it depends on your choice, and that's how you can get into nursing. That's how you can get to study nursing in Nigeria. And after your whole training, you write the nursing council exam that is being organized by the professional body, that is Nursing and Midwifery Council of Nigeria. You have to pass the exam to be able to practice as a nurse, to be able to be registered and licensed. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope with these few points of mine I'll be able to explain to you how you can get into nursing school in Nigeria. Yeah, I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions for me, you can drop it in the comment section and I will do well to reply them. Yeah, like I said, the age range is from 17 above, because I know someone was asking me with the age, I don't know if it's a female or a male, with the age he or she is, can he or she still study nursing? And I told the person that is from what I saw on the internet, they said 17 to 35 years, so I don't really know. So I told him, or I don't know if it's a male or female, that it's from 17 to 35 years, and that's it. So that's basically it. This is the way you can study nursing in Nigeria. It's not a big deal, it's just your choice, putting your mind to it. Nursing is a very lucrative course, it's a very respected profession, it's a very, like, you won't study nursing and not be happy about it. It's one profession that is very, very lucrative and respected. We are in much demand all over the world, all over the country. So yeah, if you're watching this video and you want to study nursing, don't allow anyone kill your dreams. Don't allow anyone tell you you cannot do it. There is nothing you cannot do. Yes, even the Bible says you can do all things through Christ that strengthens you. There is nothing you cannot do, so far you know your capacity and ability and capability. So yeah, there's nothing you cannot do. Just put your mind to it and you see it work out. For anyone who wants to study nursing and finances is the problem, I pray God provides in whichever way He can. He's the one who provides manna. He's the one who provides our source that never runs dry. So to you watching this, you want to study nursing but finances is the problem, hear me as I hear the Lord. Hear me, I hear me well. God is going to provide. Don't just give up on your dreams, okay? Yeah, I think I've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. What other thing? Comment. If you have any questions for me, drop it in the comment section. Please turn on your notification bell to know when I post a new video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.